அதிகாரிகள் சங்கத்தின் சென்னை மாடியூல் 1 ரீஜனல் செக்ரட்டரி மற்றும் SBOA மாதிரி மேல்நிலைப் பள்ளியின் தாளாளர் திரு A.V. ஜோசப் அவர்களை வரவேற்புரை வழங்க அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம்.
A pleasant good evening to one and all present here. President of this meeting, Vice President and Associate Secretary, Sri Balaji, our beloved General Secretary, Secretary and Correspondent of SBOA Educational Trust, Dr. D. Thomas Franco Rajendra Dev, celebrities on the dais, management committee members, teachers, students, we brought together for one noble cause, to save public sector. It is a great privilege for me to stand before you to welcome you all for this documentary film festival and prize distribution ceremony. We are honored to have with us this evening three eminent guests who have been making their indelible marks in their chosen fields. My pleasure to welcome a socialist, social activist, noted film director who works primarily in Tamil film industry, a prolific writer, a great poet, an excellent orator who has carved a niche for himself in producing and directing several documentaries. The founder of Roots, who has also entered the mainstream cinema through the release of his film, Endru Thaniyum. He is none other than Sri Bharati Krishna Kumar. He is very closely associated with SBOA in all the activities that could aid the progress of this institution, be it the environment campaigns, flood relief measures, participation in Lit Fest, save public sector campaigns. Mr. Krishna Kumar would be there extending his solidarity and support to this institution. We are immensely honored to have you with us, sir, and a warm welcome to you, sir. This personality again has struck a chord with his unique style, making his cinematic debut as a full-fledged cinematographer through Kalluri and in Bala's Paradesi, which fetched him the Best Cinematography Award at the 2013 BFI London Film Festival Awards. He has worked as a cinematographer in many documentaries, including the biographical docufiction about former Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam, A Little Dream, and a documentary about the prolific Tamil writer T. Jayakanthan. You must have guessed his name. Yes, it is Mr. Cherian, the famous cinematographer. A hearty welcome to you, sir. My pleasure to welcome yet another celebrity into our midst, Sri A. Vishwam, an amazing contemporary artist with rare talent, a noted cinematographer who steered a different path and made the entire industry to take stock with his achievement. We welcome you, sir. An editor, primarily in the film industry for the last 22 years, is Mr. Palanibel, our guest of honor. He has parallel experience in the video field for last 10 years. He is an excellent communicator with strong attention to details and willing to contribute when required. A hearty welcome to you, sir. There is one person who has been working steadily with immense devotion for safeguarding the public sector units for several years now. One who leaves no stone unturned if it could be benefit the people at large. Street plays, campaigns, conferences, debates, media focus, name it, and you are sure to find him working steadily towards it. Let me welcome our beloved General Secretary and Secretary of Correspondent of Educational Trust, Dr. Thomas Franco Rajendra Dev. I welcome our Vice President and Associate Secretary, Comrade R. Balaji, Correspondent of CBSE School, Sri Sendikumar, Correspondent of Matriculation School, Sri A. Ravichandran, members of the Management Committee, Sri Mohan, other Executive Committee members, our administrators, Srimati Rajeshwari Menon, Srimati P.C. Selvarani, Principal Srimati Radhika Unni, and Principal Sri V.V. Anand. The SBI Officers Association has been attempting to reach students at all levels by conducting competition in elocution, essay writing, cartoon, documentary filmmaking, etc. People across the state participated. Our school were also allowed to participate. You would be surprised that we have entries from the class 3 to 12. The effort would have driven them to refer, to read, to discuss. I welcome all the teachers, students, and all the prize winners to this August function. Thank you one and all.